Hello guys, welcome to the course overview video of learning about the Raspberry Pi. My name is Parvinder and I've been working on Raspberry Pi from more than 4 years. I'm also working on web app security, and before that course, I have also published few security courses as well. This course is divided into the 4 parts. First part is the introduction to the Raspberry Pi. So if you don't know anything about the Raspberry Pi, then this section will be for you. In the first section, we will talk about what is Raspberry Pi and which model of Raspberry Pi you should buy. Because from the past few years, I have been asked this question a lot many times that which model of Raspberry Pi we should buy. So I will tell you the importance of each and every model of Raspberry Pi and will let you know which model of Raspberry Pi will be good fit for you. Moving ahead, in the section 2, we will talk about the setting up Raspberry Pi environment. Coming to the section 2, in this section, I will tell you guys that how you can set up the Raspberry Pi in your network. First off, we will start by installing the operating system, then we will do the SSH into a Raspberry Pi. After that, we will bring the GUI of Raspberry Pi on our computer. After completing the setup of Raspberry Pi, we will start making the projects. Now, in few projects videos, I have added the flavor of security, like how to run penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking operating system on Raspberry Pi. Then moving forward in this section 2, I will also tell you how many people are near you by using the Raspberry Pi. Not only that, I will also tell you how you can use your Raspberry Pi to make a Wi-Fi jammer that will block all the Wi-Fi signals in a particular area. And once the setup of Raspberry Pi will be done, then we will talk about the applications of Raspberry Pi. And after talking about the applications of Raspberry Pi, apart from this, I will also tell you how you guys can make a network ad blocker that will block all the internet ads that comes while browsing. Apart from all these things, I will tell you how you can configure your Raspberry Pi for making a monitoring device for you. Now the question comes, what it will monitor? The answer is fairly simple. It will monitor the room temperature, humidity, pressure, and the movement of anyone that enters in your room. We will talk about the projects that we can make using the Raspberry Pi ZW. Now in this course, we will not start from 0. In fact, we are going to start from -1. So if you don't know anything about the Raspberry Pi, that's okay. In the 4th section, we will talk about the smaller version of Raspberry Pi, and that is Raspberry Pi ZW. With the Raspberry Pi ZW, we will make our own Wi-Fi router just like the real one. Not only that, you will also get to see how you can make a portable PC using your Raspberry Pi ZW. At the end of this course, I will also tell you how you can use your Raspberry Pi to crack the Wi-Fi passwords around you. Last but not least, I will also talk about the integration of camera module with the Raspberry Pi ZW. This course is going to be really helpful for the ones who has never used Raspberry Pi. Now, if you have already made some projects on Raspberry Pi, then don't forget to explore the new type of projects that you can make using Raspberry Pi. I hope this video will be really helpful for you. I hope to see you in the next videos where we will actually talk about the things that you can do with the Raspberry Pi.